How to delete Melolo account permanently. 1. Open the Melolo application. 2. Select Profile. 3. Select the icon as in the video. 4. Select My Account. 5. Select Delete Account. 6. Select Delete. 7. Select Continue. 8. Select your Google account. 9. Select I still want to delete my account. 10. Select Delete. Your Melolo account has been successfully deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe.